I've got a 2011 Troy Bilt Bronco. Model number 13WX78KS011. Every time I apply the brakes, after replacing lower transmission belt, they don't stop. The lawnmower after brake pedal after depressed while engine is running, replaced brake pucks.
Do you know the model of your Troy Bilt lawnmower? How old is it?
2011 Troy Bilt Bronco. Model number 13WX78KS011.
How long has this been going on with your Troy Bilt lawnmower? What have you tried so far?
Just replaced lower transmission belt about a week ago.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
After replacing lawnmower lower transmission belt, it goes faster than before, just won't stop. Everything worked fine before belt change.
Hello. My name is I am happy to be able to assist you today. I see that you installed new brake pucks. Are you aware of the middle nut on the outside of the caliper that is for adjusting tension on the brakes? While you have the brake assembly apart, did you happen to check the condition of the small round caliper that moves in and out? Those are common for seizing in the housing and not applying pressure to the pads.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.